Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom, making popular soup. Some vegetable cooking oil. And we're gonna add in chopped onion. Some garlic paste. I'm gonna add in some lemongrass paste. I got it from Chowder. Enhance some flavor. Celery will be a good vegetable ingredient to making soup. Stir this for a few minutes. About 4 to 5 minutes. We just want to enhance the garlic and the lemongrass, onion, celery, have a nice flavor. And we're gonna add in 2 cans of just corn and 3 cans cream corn, the small can. And then I'm gonna add in some starch. That's good enough. Because we're gonna add the fish too. We're gonna add salmon. See, that's nice. And we're gonna let them bring up to a simmer. So you can make this soup with chicken corn soup, shrimp corn soup, crab meat corn soup, any way you like. I just deglazed the bottom part of the soup pot, you know, so we don't get any burn stuff at the bottom. Okay, let them bring up to a simmer. It's gonna take a while. The soup is getting hot. About 12-14 minutes of cooking. The stock already created really nice creamy. The creamy corn helped to thicken the soup, almost like a chowder now. Celery got nice flavor, onion is clean taste. Here I got some mushroom and carrot. Add it in. I want to make a nice pot, multiple ingredient, healthy with the soup. Now we're probably gonna call chowder because I want the soup a little bit thicker. Here, I'm gonna let the soup bring up to a little bit more temperature, and I got some 3-4 tablespoons of cornstarch and a half cup of the water just to thicken the soup. The creamy corn soup is supposed to be a little bit thicker, like a chowder. Gonna bring up to a boil. Maybe I can crank up the heat a little bit higher. Yeah, like this. Ah, look beautiful. When you start to see the bubble, mean the soup's getting hotter. And we're gonna add some cornstarch in. I'm gonna add a little bit of thyme. Like this. Let's see. Let's see how thick. Now start getting chowder form of the creamy corn. Oh yeah, looking good. Look at this. Okay, now we're gonna add some salt. Just the base flavor, because you can always add salt and pepper as you eat. I like this with the white pepper. Got a little kick to it. A lot of white pepper. I like that spicy kick from the white pepper. Again, as I said, you can add a little bit more later. Just want a little more thicker. So I have to wait until the soup bring up to a boil before I add more. Just a little bit more. Something like this. Some creamy corn are very starchy. So you add less cornstarch mixed with the water. Oh, now it's better, huh? Can you tell? Now it's getting better. Okay, I got this beautiful firm tofu in. Woo, we're gonna run out of space. Salmon. Give them a stir. Oh yes. Sesame oil. Yeah? Ooh. My mouth is watering. Come on. I show you what I got too. I got this pretzel bun. This is gonna be for my family. Winter soup. Oh, I just call soup, okay? We used to call soup, not chowder. Okay, I'm gonna let this soup bring up to a boil. Come on, I'm waiting. Start moving, start moving. I'm gonna give them a taste. This is gonna be super hot. Oh my goodness. Mushroom, corn, onion, carrot, salmon, the flavor, or you can taste it. It's beautiful. It's a little bit lighter side, which is good for me. For my kids, they want a more salt, pepper, they can add as they go. So now, I'm gonna beat up my 2 eggs. Just gonna pour around like this. And then, see? It's getting thicker. We run out of space! See the egg? Oh. You have to add the beaten egg while the soup is creamy, so they will hold the egg instead of like just flying around. Now but not least, we have this spinach. Gently. Spinach. And some cilantro and onion combined, chopped. Fresh herb on the top. The soup is boiling. Turn it off. Here we go, my friend. This is your homemade, healthy, delicious. The restaurant gonna charge you arm and leg, trust me. Salmon corn soup with everything in it. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye. Oh yes. Ooh, okay, I gotta try. Oh, look at this. Wow. Oh, too powerful.